If you want ongoing, passive income for the rest of your life, this brand new AI strategy is for you. Imagine tapping into a super brain AI that read minds. So you could absolutely know which new products will sell like crazy. And then, have AI make these new products for you. Next, put these high demand products in front of over 130 million plus hungry buyers. Yes, 130 million. Because you 100% know that they are desperately looking for your new products. And you collect passive income for years. Now, do it faster and easier than ever before. Because AI is doing all the work for you. How MindReader AI gives you ongoing, passive income. Marketers have always wanted one important skill: understanding their customers' thoughts. Read their minds to know what they want. Create what they want. Sell it to them. What if you could understand 130 million people's desires in a huge marketplace? In this huge global marketplace with over 130 million monthly visitors, you'd access a massive, steady flow of traffic and income each month. Plus, knowing there's huge demand for these sought-after products. What if AI could make products for you, knowing what 130 million people want? With MindReader AI, easily create high-demand products and make money. Reach millions of buyers and earn recurring income for years. Get ready for a game-changing passive income breakthrough with AI. The AI super brain reads the minds of customers, telling you the exact products to create because they are in high demand. The AI super brain creates those products for you, and then you put those high-demand products in front of 130 million plus buyers who desperately want and are searching for these brand new products. Discover the easy AI system that earned us $171,874 in passive income. Wanna know how you can do this easier than ever before? Interested in learning how to create passive income machines quickly? Want to learn how to build multiple passive income streams for growing income? Curious about the new, easy AI version for lightning fast results? Want to learn how to reach millions of buyers for passive income? Curious how MindReader AI can fetch big payouts effortlessly? Now, sell these new products to eager buyers and start earning. You could keep making money repeatedly as more buyers purchase your products, ensuring a steady income for years. MindReader AI tells you what the market wants, right now. All you do is have AI make the products, fast. And start earning an ongoing, easy royalty income. For life. The info business is the most amazing business. Because it gives us payouts like these. Step 1. Use MindReader AI to see which new products are in high demand, if only they existed. Now you know these new products you create will sell. In step 2. Next, use MindReader AI to create high-quality info products that gives the market what it is begging for. You now have a killer income-producing info product. In step 3. Now, post your info product in this 130 million plus customer marketplace. You start making money from sales on the #1 worldwide marketplace. You start receiving royalty income for life. You don't need a sales page or funnel. You don't need a merchant account or Stripe. You don't need to buy traffic, the traffic is free and plentiful. You don't need any additional cost. You can do this for free and from anywhere in the world. Ensures you win the info product game. MindReader AI understands what people want, saving you from wasted efforts. With 130 million monthly visitors, getting traffic for your new info products is easy now. MindReader AI writes your sales page for you, ensuring it convinces visitors to buy and you get paid. You don't need to buy a domain name or host a sales page. It is all done for you. This will always have opportunities. With countless niches and info products, it's wide open. The info product industry is booming, growing rapidly. Even YouTube plans to add an info product section. But we target an even better market. With the info product world projected to be an $840 billion industry by 2030. With Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi and even YouTube getting into the game. With the value of specialized knowledge shooting through the roof. You can live free. No more dealing with a boss you can't stand. No more dealing with that nasty traffic day in and day out. No more stress over how you're going to pay your bills. No more worry about the future and how you're going to manage it. You are now free to live and free to enjoy life your way, the way you've always wanted to enjoy it. This is an incredible find, the power to easily create lots of info products using this simple formula. Use MindReader AI to know the topics this marketplace needs, right now. Use MindReader AI to easily create, in-demand, info products on those topics fast. Post these info products to a worldwide audience, 130 million visitors per month. And make ongoing passive income for years to come. One of their info products earned $140 million in sales. It's true, just one info product made a sales of $140 million. This means, you're one info product away. This is an incredible business and you need to be in it. All you do is follow the simple steps. In step 1, the MindReader AI system shows you the exact new info products that are in high demand. In step 2, use the MindReader AI system to easily create high-quality info products for those topics. And you do this super fast, by using AI. In step 3, post the info product in front of 130 million monthly visitors and make an ongoing recurring income for years and years to come. If you buy using my link in the description, I'll give you free bonuses. Simply take a screenshot of your purchase. DM me on Instagram to claim them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.